Hello, welcome back everyone. Today's video I want to teach you guys how to remove the bad smell from tallow oil. If you are a lover of tallow oil or you use tallow oil to make soap, tallow oil is actually oil gotten from animal fat. So if you're a lover of tallow oil or you use tallow oil to make your soap and you don't like the bad odor that it produces, I want to teach you guys two simple methods on how to eliminate or remove that bad smell from your tallow oil. So over here is my tallow oil. I want to remove the bad odor that it usually comes with after processing. So I'll show you two methods. The first one, I'll be using onions. The second method, I'll be using lemongrass. So that's the tallow oil. I want to scoop it into the pot we'll be using to melt the oil. So just keep watching this video to learn this method. It's actually very simple, it's not hard. This method is easy. If you can learn this method, you will know how to produce your own tallow oil at home, then remove that bad smell. After you've produced your tallow oil, this video will teach you how to remove the bad smell. You can see how I'm chopping the onions. I'm going to pour it directly into the tallow oil and cook it for at least 30 minutes. Between 30 minutes to 1 hour is okay. You can turn off your gas or your heat source and you are good to go. Now what happens here is that the heat transfers the smell of the onions to the tallow oil. So removing the tallow oil smell out and transferring that of the onions to the oil, making the oil to have a sweet smell. That's what it just do. It's a simple chemistry. It's actually transferring the odor of the onions to the oil. So once you are done, we are going to scoop out the onions from the oil and then store the oil in a good container. Whenever you want to use your oil, you just simply melt it and use it to make your soap. So this process is not actually hard. We'll repeat this process, but this time around we are going to eliminate the bad smell of the tallow oil using lemongrass. So don't forget, I'm teaching you two methods on how this is accomplished. First method is with onions, and this is the second method on how to do this with lemongrass. So after I'm done, I've actually rinsed the lemongrass. I removed the dirt by rinsing it in clean water. Now I'm going to scoop my tallow oil, put it in the pot before adding my lemongrass. Just watch this video, see how this is done. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to follow me so that you'll be updated by our new videos that comes up every week. My videos are very educative. If you are a soap lover or a soap maker, then following me is the best decision you'll make, because you will learn a lot and improve on your soap making skills. So keep watching and see how I did this using the lemongrass also. After 30 minutes, this is the result of my lemongrass. The next thing I will do is to scoop the lemongrass out of the oil. Right now, the lemongrass smell has been transferred to the tallow oil, removing the bad smell from the tallow oil. So thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share this video, like and drop your comments. See you guys on my next video. Goodbye.